Hello friend, welcome back to Information Technology lesson number 3, Advanced JavaScript. In this today's lectures you are going to learn object in JavaScript. So practical lectures. In these lectures you are going to learn object in JavaScript, document object model, method and properties for document object model, and the inner HTML property program. So let's begin. What is object in JavaScript? The JavaScript is an object-based scripting language. Almost everything is an object in JavaScript. A JavaScript object is an entity having state, property and behavior methods. An object can be grouped together with the function needed to manipulate it. Look around, you will find many examples of real world objects such as table, board, television, bicycle, shop, bus, car, monitor, etc. All these tangible things are known as objects. Take an example of car object. It has properties like name, model, weight, color, etc. and methods like a start, stop, brake, etc. So all car have same properties but contains different values from a car to car. So all car have same method but perform differently. So properties and method of objects are accessed with operators. In JavaScript support two type of object. First one is built-in object such as match, string, array, date, etc. functions will be included in this object, and user-defined object. In JavaScript gives facility to create user-defined object as per user requirement. The new keyword is used to create a new object in JavaScript. For example, d equal new date and function marks means the d is a new instance created for date object. Look at its DOM, document object model. When HTML document is loaded into a web browser, it becomes a document object. You know the documents, there are various document. Word, if once you created any document in Microsoft Word, that become a Word document. If you created any document in Excel, so that become an Excel document. And if you created any document in PowerPoint, that become a presentation document. So in HTML also you have created any HTML program you have written and you open that program in browser, that become a HTML document. So here it define logical structures of document. The way in which HTML document consists is accessed and modify is called as a document object model, and it is a programming interface for HTML and XML, extensible markup language document. Let's see the hierarchical structures of DOM. The document in the HTML, root HTML element is HTML. This HTML contain again head and the body. These are the two elements again contains. In the head sections there will be the title. So another elements contain the title, and the title contain the text. Whatever the text you are writing in the title tag, that is another one. So the HTML head, body, head contain title and also contain the text, as well as the body section contain attributes. That attributes are href, elements, tags, it anchor tag, elements, h1 tag. Text also can create by using the anchor tag, that is called my link, hyperlink, and h1 text my header. So like these are the attributes contained. So this is called document. Once you have written the HTML document by using the various attribute, various tag and the text, that your document object. It is so simple, no need to confuse yourself. So document object model means the document containing the various tag, various attribute and the text. So that is called as a document object model. The standardization of the document object model was founded by W3C, that is called World Wide Web Consortium, and which works for standardizations of web technologies according to W3C. And the W3C document object model is a platform and language natural interface, and that allows program and scripts to dynamically access and update the content, structure and style of a document. Let's see this a simple HTML program. Simple HTML program. In this, if you're going to see here the doc type HTML, this doc type HTML, then head. So head containing the title and the title. So this is the head root is the root, and then the title is containing in the head section title. Then head is closed. The title is closed over here, and then your body. The body sections containing the another tag and the text. This is called the text is written inside. So as well as the anchor tag we use to create a link. So the link also is created over here, and the body. So this simple document you have created, and if you open this document in the web browser, you will get output welcome to document object method and the page 1.html. Click to open page, this link you will get. So this all together, this is called as the document object model. Let's see the inner HTML property is useful for getting HTML elements and changing its content. The inner HTML property can be used to get or change any HTML element including HTML and body. So let's see an example how you can create or how you can write the program by using inner HTML properties. So start your text editor, that may be Notepad or Sublime Text. I am opening the text editor here. So my computer containing two text editor, one is Notepad and another one is the Sublime Text Editor. So I open the Sublime Text Editor. If you have created any previous program, so you can go there and copy the same program, so you can save your time. So copy this one and make a new file and paste over here, because some basics tag will remain same. That first doc type HTML, head, title, and then head, script type equal text JavaScript. So here title we can change, we can give the title that is inner HTML property. So we can write here inner HTML property. Script type text JavaScript will remain same. Then functions we are going to change here. Instead of display we can change the text, because we are going to change the text in this program. So we can write here change text 3 and the function mark. So this function we are going to call to change the text. Okay, then the curly bracket, then we are going to use the variable over here. So we'll use the first variable for the style, variable style. You learn this style to create in CSS. So in double inverted quote, we'll create first style for h2 element, h2 style equal color green. Okay, once you finish creating style, then you have to complete each and every statement by using semicolon in JavaScript. Then create a next variable. We are going to create next variable for the text, variable text. We are going to print a text. We are going to print a text, welcome to the HTML file and JavaScript. Once it is clicked, the text will change. with this text. So we can write over here, welcome to the HTML5 and JavaScript. Okay, then complete this statement. Okay, one more variable we are going to create, that is close style. So variable close style, equal double inverted quote we are going to use for this h2. Okay, so h2, and then complete a semicolon. So here we completed three variables that we are going to use. One is we created for the style, that style should change to the of the text welcome to the HTML5, and JavaScript color should get green, and the h2 style, and variable close style we use the h2 element. Here we use the closing h2 variable. Okay, and then we are going to print this, so that we are going to use document dot get element by id. We are going to use the paragraph. Okay, and then we are going to use the inner HTML style, equal style. We are going to combine this all, style plus text plus close style, all the variable we use that you are going to use here, then semicolon. Okay, once you finish, then complete the script tag, complete the head tag, and come to the body section now. So body sections, we are going to create a style for background, style equal background dash color colon, which color you want that you can take. I am taking can color over here. Once you finish taking the background color, then use h1 tag and take the statement welcome to the site to the center. So h1 align equal double inverted quote center, then use the paragraph tag and call the id which you created by using the word para. So you can use that here, para, and which text you are going to print over here, welcome to the site. So you can write a welcome to the site and close the paragraph tag. So once you close the paragraph tag, then you are going to create the one button. Once you click on this button, by clicking on that button, the change text function will be called, and once you click on this button, the text will change welcome to the site to the welcome to the HTML5 and JavaScript. Like this text will change. Okay, so that's why we are going to use the input type button. On click we are going to call the function, which function we are use there, change text 3. So this function we are going to call change text 3, and then the value, what value you want on the button. So you can take that value, click this button to change about text. Means once you click on this button, the text must get changed. The text should change with the another text. Means the text should change with welcome to the HTML5 and JavaScript. Like this it should get print. Okay, once you click on the text, then close the h1 tag which is not close. Okay, h1 tag is closed, then find out all remaining tag has been closed or no. So body tag you have to close, then the HTML tag, then save this program, save as, and give the name to the program. Here this inner HTML dot HTML. Okay, and save. Once you save, open this program in a browser. You will get the output like this: welcome to the site, and click this button to change about text. Once you click on this button, the text should change with welcome to the HTML5 and JavaScript with the color green, because we have created the style, which we use the three variable, one variable for the style that should display the color green of the text, one variable we use for the text welcome to the HTML5 and JavaScript, and one more we use for the close style, that is called the h2 tag we have close here. So just click and check whether you are getting, see the output you got, welcome to the HTML5 and JavaScript. So this is the inner HTML program which use to get or change any HTML element including HTML and body. So I hope that you understood this program. For learning this program, the practice is very important. So you have to practice at home by typing this program and get the output. Once you learn this program, it will be easy. Otherwise, just watching this video and keeping as it is, not writing in the notebook, you have to write this program in the notebook also. So it will help you to get the output. Otherwise JavaScript is very difficult. If you missed out any colon, semicolon, dot, double inverted code, then you will not get any output. So for the JavaScript learning require practice. Without practice nothing will happen, will not get any output. Thank you and have a nice day.